Hi everyone, welcome to Bare Skin Act. I'm Helen. This is my channel where I review beauty products and test them on my bare skin. If you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe, and check out my other videos where I review the most popular skincare products on the market. Hi everyone, it's wonderful to be back, and I am in beautiful Southern California, Manhattan Beach. I'm in a hotel room. It's a bit of a work and vacation combo, and I cannot wait to review today's product for you, and it is from the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Mask. So people who are familiar with Estée Lauder knows that their advanced repair night repair line is extremely popular. It has sold for millions and millions of units, and their serum is like a staple for a lot of people. And for me, I am a sucker for face masks. So when I find out they have a face mask that has the same ingredient to the Advanced Night Repair Serum, I just couldn't help myself but purchase the box and start trying it. So today I'm going to tell you what I like and dislike about it, and then I'm going to put a fresh pair on my face, and I'll tell you how I feel, and towards the end I'll give you the bare skin score. Stay tuned. So I have purchased this new box of the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Face Mask from Nordstrom. It comes in a box of 4 and it retails $80. So it's definitely quite expensive, and I have a very high expectation for these products. So I've been using it for a few weeks, once or twice a week, and I feel like I've got a pretty good handle of this product. So I'm going to apply it to my face right now, and I will tell you how I feel afterwards. To start off, it comes in 2 pieces. It will actually use this foil which you're supposed to discard, but I'm going to put some serum on my face first, and then I will put the bottom layer on my face. It's super easy to apply. You really don't need to fold and fold too much. So this is it. Super easy to apply, and it has these kind of like this silver foil on the outside, and I really don't do anything to it. I just put it on my face and then kind of stay here. I'm going to let it ruminate on my face for 15 minutes, and I'll come back to you. Hi friends, it's been 15 minutes and I am back. I'm ready to take off this face mask from Estée Lauder, and I'll tell you how I feel. It feels so refreshing, and I still have a ton of serum left on my face. So this is what they call the power foil mask. You can see the side that goes on your face is this white cotton sheet side, and then there's this foil on the outside to protect the serum from seeping out, so the serum really goes all over your face. It has a certain weight, but it really still doesn't come off your face, and if that's something that you worry about, don't. Smell wise, very light. There's no fragrance whatsoever, and I really just think so every time after I use this, I just feel like I've poured an entire bottle of the night repair serum on my face. That's really how I feel, and I think that's the effect that you want to achieve with applying the face mask. This is $20 sheet mask that goes on. You're only supposed to use it once a week, and this is the type of kind of the skin therapy that you're looking for. I feel really happy about this face mask, and it's definitely such a ritual. Every week I use it once a week. That's really sufficient. So what I do is after applying this mask, I'll let it dry a little bit. I will never wash my face after this. Remember, this is just all serum. You're really not supposed to wash them off. So, and after half an hour or so, you can apply eye cream or moisturizer on your face, and then get ready to sleep. In terms of the BSA score, I'm going to give it a 4.5. It is a really high score. It really has a ton of good ingredients and very hydrating, really kind of fighting the fine lines and what the Estée Lauder staple. However, I do think it's rather expensive, and And if you have to stretch it out, use it once a week or even use it once every 2 weeks, I think it's fine too. I think if you're looking for a luxury face mask that you're using not super frequently, maybe just once a week or once every 2 weeks, I think go for it. You'll be really happy with the results. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.